Hello and welcome to Coding with the Agent. I'm Dean, and today we're going to look at Spleef and check out this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change command to Spleef. That's going to be basically what we're going to put in to execute the code. We're going to take a look at the next one, and we're going to use the fill blocks. Okay, and I'm getting better at understanding the X, Y, and Z coordinate, so this makes sense. X would be at 0. The Y would be at -1, so I'm assuming this will go on the ground, and then the Z will be at 0, and then 10 left. Okay, 1. Okay, yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me to see how this will shape up. All right, so when I take here and I go into the blocks, I'm going to go fill with. I'm actually going to take a little less on that so I can see this better. It tells me to grab some lava, so I'm going to go into here and type in lava. And there's the lava. And here I'm going to go -1 on my Y. And here I'm going to go 10. And here I'm also going to go 10. Alright. And I go for my next bit of code. Again, it's asked me to do the fill. So I'm going to go back to the blocks. I'm going to fill. This time I noticed it said snow. So I'm going to take this block off, and I am going to make it snow. Alright. Oops. Not sure what happened there, but that's okay. Can't do Spleef yet. We gotta put our snow in there, and then we have to put our coordinates inside of there for sure as well. Alright, so we had that snow. I go back. I must have accidentally clicked on something there. So this one's going to start a little bit higher, and then that's going to start at 4 blocks. And then I'm assuming it's going to be 10, 4, 10. And that's exactly what it is. So it told me I'm understanding my coordinate system here. So 10, 4, and 10. Alright, so we're going to go here and see if we can execute this program and see what this will look like. Alright, so I'm going to go T to open up this and type in Spleef. Alright, whoa, I'm on fire. Somebody call 911. Alright, well that's Spleef pretty good. Wow, well that was interesting too, that it kind of came and it went on top of like that. But I know it says relative to the player, so I must have been standing somewhere. So that's cool. Alright, well, let's go over here a little bit and go back into the code. Alright, so, look at this. See, I know why that happened too. I didn't put -1 here, so then it had 0. Okay, good. Debug that a little bit, and that makes a lot more sense too. Alright, what else did I've done that? And now let's go, we're going to hit the plus sign here, and we're going to use variables. Alright, so the variable's called num. Okay, and all the 10s we're going to replace with this num. So I go to my variables. There's num, there's a 10, go from there, go to variables, there's a num, make sure, yep, it goes to there. Alright, and I'm going to go variables, there's 2 more 10s, so I'm going to go and put that inside of there, and then finally at this piece of code, I'm going to take the variable and put it in for 10 as well. Alright, that makes sense to me. So now what it wants me to do is to go, so put the word Spleef in, but the variable now is 25. Now I can put anything I want, but I'll go with the 25. So I'm going to type in T, I'm going to go Spleef, and go 25. And yes, oh wow, I'll fire a little bit, but yeah, oh wow, the Spleef has really taken control of things. Alright, what's next on the coding? Let's see. It's kind of interesting. Now, we're going to add a little teleport. So notice the purple. So we're going to go into here, and we're going to teleport, and we're going to put that inside of there. Okay. And this says num, so by half. So I think I'm going to use the math, because I know I can divide by 2 in here. So I'm going to grab this and put that in. And then I'm going to take my variable num and put that into here. And then I'm going to divide that by 2 because I want half. Alright. And I'm going to put 5 in here. Okay, that makes sense. And then I'm going to grab the math again as I put this in. Fit, yep. And then I'm going to take my variable and slide that into that part. Perfect. And just move over a little bit and strike that to 2. Now to me that all makes sense. I'm just going to click on the little light bulb here. See if that makes sense. Oh good, look. Alright. Get all that in. -1. Alright. Spleef is ready to go here on this one. Okay, so let's go to here. Let's hit play. Oh! Hang on, I'm going to have to go back code. There's one more step there. Oh, I guess I didn't hit play, so that's good. I'm going to go to gameplay. Going to take set go. Okay, so it's going to set it to survival. And I'm going to do all entities and see what happens because there's no other players in here. Maybe we'll bring all the. Alright, let's see what happens here now. Alright, well, I'll make my way this way a little bit and go T, and let's see what happens with Spleef. I'm going to add 25 and 2, make it big, and oh wow, oh I'm on top of that. Oh wow, that's so cool. Oh wow, that makes sense because I went to 5. Cool. Now what did it didn't seem like it teleported anybody. So I want to go back into the code for a second. Oh, because teleport nearest player. Okay, let's try this. I don't know what's going to happen here, but I'll pick all entities. Alright, and I'm going to hit play. Okay, I just teleported myself, so that's why I went on top of that. Okay, this Spleef is quite the interesting program for sure. I don't know where I would use it, but it's certainly very cool. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put Spleef. I'm going to put 50. I don't know what's going to happen here, but here we go. Oh my, what's happened? Oh, it's brought all the animals that have spawned in this world and I put them on. So what if I do this? Sorry, buddy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, coding is interesting. Oh, you're not going to fall in, are you, buddy? Oh, chicken. Oh, I saved you, chicken. All right, well, as you can see, Spleef is interesting. I don't know if I should be doing... Oh, there's my agent. Hi, agent. How are you doing, buddy? Mike, is this... Oh, no, donkey. Don't do it. Oh, all right. Well, there we go. We figured out what Spleef is. Spleef was fun. It was interesting. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you. And have a good day.